Good morning, Facebook, YouTube. Anthony here. Good House Floor Care. We're here to do a screen and recoat on some solid floors today. Here goes the Good House mobile. Down here in Matthews, North Carolina. Let me take you guys inside. I'll show you what we're up against today. See, these floors are in need of really a sanding, but she's selling the home and she just wants an improvement, and that's what we're here for. See a bunch of UV fading. She knows that's not coming out. She's got some water damage over here. That's not coming out with a screening coat. We need to do bar replacements, but she doesn't want to do it. That's her decision, her choice. But we're gonna definitely make an improvement here. We got all these rooms here. The finish is coming off pretty bad. So anyway, we're gonna screen and coat these, make these floors at least 80% better, get it on the market. And we got the master bedroom back here. Alrighty, stay tuned. Alrighty, came out fantastic. Remember how cracked it was here? All right, we're gonna show Kathleen for the first time what it looks like. We gotta take our shoes off.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, it looks so good.
Thank you, Kathleen.
It's fantastic. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so great.
Thank you so much.
It's amazing.
Not bad, right?
It is amazing. It's better than ever.
Oh, thank you.
Seriously, I'm 100% serious.
Yes, ma'am. Alrighty, once again, as always, thanks for watching.